So find a spot on the front of your book to write your name. Everybody got your name? Okay. All right, highlighters ready. I see a word in the title that we need to highlight. I see a word in the title. Oh, yeah, I do see I at the bottom. Yep, we saw I at the bottom right here. But I also see down here at the bottom, or at the top, yeah, the word and. Highlight that word and. All right, and then remember we're going to, with our pencils, so highlighters down, pencils ready. We're gonna underline the words that have the short A sound. What does short A say? Good. I see an, so I see a short A word right here. I see a short A word right here. And I see a short A word right here. N. And yeah, you saw some at the bottom too. I see am, an, and at. And what punctuation do you see at the end of that sentence?
Period.
Period. Let's circle it. So we circle our punctuation. So what's the title of this story? Let's sound it out of here. An and an. Everybody read that with me. Fingers ready and read. Dan and Nan. Ooh, right here is the word by. It's by Evan McDonald. What did Evan McDonald do? Wrote the story and illustrated by Lorinda Bryan Colley. What did she do? She didn't make the story. If someone illustrates, what do? They drew the pictures. Yep, they probably drew it and colored it. Okay, let's go down to the bottom. Get your fingers ready. Fingers ready. Ready and read. I am Dan Cat. Ooh, read that again. I need to hear you all reading. Ready? I am Dan Cat. Who is this guy? Dan Cat. Let's go ahead and write Dan right here. Capital D, because that's his first letter in his name. Lowercase a, lowercase n. And we're going to do an arrow to Dan. Okay, what do you notice about Dan Cat? How does he look? Look at my picture. He's, is that brown? I think he's kind of grayish, yeah. Okay, turn the page. Oh, you need a minute? Turn the page. And that looks like that gray cat again. I think that's Dan again. But let's come down here. I don't see any sight words that we need to highlight. But do you see some short A words? I do too, so let's underline them. An, at, at. And my punctuation is a period, yep. What's that cat's name? Dan Cat. And what's it saying that he's doing? I don't think he's standing. Read that word. Sat. Good. Fingers ready, and let's read that page. Are you ready? Dan Cat sat. What's he sitting on? A rug, yeah, or maybe a blanket. Okay, on the next page, oh, we have a different cat now, don't we? Get your highlighters ready and tell me what sight words you see. I see the word I. Good. Am is not one of our sight words. Okay. But I do see highlighters down and pencils ready. I do see some short A words. What short A words do you see? Am, an, at. And what should I do with my punctuation? Circle it. That's called a period. Okay. I am Nan Cat. So what's her name? Nan. Let's draw her name over here. Capital N, A, N. And give her an arrow. Okay, pencils down, fingers ready at the bottom. Need to see your fingers ready. Let's read it together. I am Nan Cat. Okay, So she looks a little different. She's a orange looking cat with stripes. Next page. All right, I don't see any sight words, but I do see some short A words. What ones do you see? Nan, cat, sat, and yep, and Camden saw the period at the end. All right, Nan, and then cat, and then sat. So pencils down and fingers ready. Let's read this page together. Fingers ready, ready, and read. Nan, cat, sat. Oh, so what's Nan also doing? She's sitting on that same rug or that same blanket that Dan Cat was sitting on. Okay. Next page. I don't see any sight words, so I don't need my highlighter. But I think I'm going to need my pencil, Camden, because we're going to underline those words with the short A sound. What do you see? Noah, you see some short A words? You see some, Grayson? Yeah, what do you see? Dan. Sat. Okay, and Nan. And sat. And Noel sees some periods that we need to. When I come to the period, that means to stop. That's the end of my sentence. Okay, pencils down, fingers ready, and let's read this together. Fingers ready, ready, and read. Dan sat, Nan sat. Good, so now what are they both doing? Sitting, and they're both sitting on that same rug now, yeah. Now you can turn the page. I see two sight words. Not Dan. And there's one more. Can, you got it. Now with my highlighter down and pencil ready. Do you see some short A word or short A words that say Dan, and Nan, can. Now wait a minute. That last word, what's that last word? Play. Does the word play have a short A sound? Is it the word pla? Or is it play? Oh, it's the word play. So we're not going to underline that. If you underlined it, erase. If you underline the word play, erase, because it does not say the sound. And yes, circle our punctuation is a period at the end of that sentence. Okay, pencils down, fingers ready. Oop, I need to see your fingers. I'm waiting on lots of fingers. We're not done with this book. Dan and Nan can play. Which one is Dan and which one's Nan again? The gray one's Dan and the orange one, the striped one, is Nan. Okay, let's go back. I want you to, if you're at home, I want you to read this story. Send me a video reading this story. We're going to read it together in class, but go ahead and read it on your own and send me a video. Also, oh, wait a minute. Who are the characters in this story? The cats, and their names are Dan and Nan. What do you think is the setting of this story? Probably their house. I would think, yeah, usually there's not just like a rug or a blanket sitting out in the wild. Okay, and these cats have names. Do wild cats have names? No, not usually. Only pet cats. And was there a problem in this story? Nope, there wasn't a problem. They didn't have to solve it. And is this a fiction story or a non-fiction story? Ooh, it's real? Someone took photographs of these cats? No, it's a fiction